Until today, the sight of spring break crowds ignoring social distancing, now forced into it as authorities in Miami Beach today shut the beach altogether. In faraway New York, the hardest hit region in the country, new rules today for workplaces. Any still operating must now do so with just 25% staff at most. Medical supplies in New York City, meanwhile, may not last the month. And on the desperate need for more medical gear, the state's governor today implored Washington.
This is a war. Treat it like a war. Say to the manufacturers in this country, I need you to build these pieces of equipment quickly.
But on the many calls for more gear broadly, Donald Trump today suggested the onus should in fact be on state governments.
First of all, governors are supposed to be doing a lot of this work, and they are doing a lot of this work. The federal government's not supposed to be out there buying vast amounts of items and then shipping. We're not a shipping clerk.
Trump did say millions of medical masks are now being produced, even though countless providers insist there still aren't nearly enough. The need so great, they're now being told to wear scarves or bandanas, if nothing else. Meanwhile, in Washington state, the dire need is for more hospital beds now. So they're building an ad hoc facility on a soccer field, while Trump considers an offer to use emptied cruise ships for hospital overflow.
Some ships that would be ideally suited for what we're doing, and certainly they have a lot of rooms. They're big and they have a lot of rooms.
Tonight, a sobering advisory from the U.S. State Department urging all Americans against traveling anywhere overseas. It's the highest possible warning. And to those already overseas, the message is equally blunt. Return home now. If not, the U.S. government may not be able to help. Paul Hunter, CBC News, Washington.